Jesus.
Father. Father. Calm down.
What's the meaning of this?
Just calm down. The thing is, I see how handsome you are, and I always look at you from the altar when you're taking sermon, and I really calm down.
Stop. You need to stop, please.
No, stop. I can't stop. I've always imagined you inside of this, your body structure. I crave for it.
Unbelievable.
Stop. Calm down,
I'm here to see your father. Stop.
I know you're here to see my father, but he won't be back anytime soon.
No.
Just one.
I'm a man of God. You can't. What's wrong with you?
I know says a man of God can do just one.
No. It's not right. It's not right. Stop.
Father, tell me that
Stop.
you don't like what you see.
No.
Calm down.
No. You can't be doing this. I'm a man of God.
Can somebody tell me what is going on here?
This one is a wicked man. He's trying to take advantage of me.
Hello? Please! My daughter's pants! So you are this Betty? You are this Betty? And imagine, somebody we are thinking of even giving promotion.
You even said that we should do it fast so you will not come and meet us here.
Oh my God. Oh my God. To think I called you for an important meeting. You understand? Believing that as a fast rising young man in the church, you are looking at somebody we could, give responsible position. Oh my God. So you are this dirty.
What's going on here?
Please, so what you are asking me? You are asking me what is going on here? I just saw you drop my daughter's pant now. Unbelievable. Okay, don't worry. In the first place, that meeting, there is no need for that meeting again. There is no need for that because I have said that you are not worthy.
Calm down. It's not what you think.
It's what I think. It's what you think.
She's lying.
It is not what I think. It is what I saw. It is what I saw.
Sir, you know me too well.
Yes, I know you too well. That is why I am seriously dejected that we elders in the church, the knights of the church, are already thinking of elevating. Because we see that you are a young man. Didn't know that you are this terrible. God knows how many young girls in the church that you have already done all this. What's the meaning of this?
My hands are clean.
Your hands are clean.
She's telling lies.
Okay.
Hey, Daddy, it's not my underwear that is with him.
Like I said, this meeting is over. I don't have any. I will get across to the council of elders and we decide your place. Please leave my house.
Yes, go.
Sir.
Go.
Leave my house.
Go.
Sir, calm down. She's lying.
I'm not lying. Go.
Okay, so I am blind. Leave my house. Don't let me call my security to throw you out. Leave my house. And if you want to go with the pants, it's still on the ground.
Daddy, use my pants for the truck.
Okay. Good afternoon. You don't come back?
No, I never come back. I see the road. Idiot. Oh yeah, leave this road.
Okay, the man dey innocent though. He dey innocent.
Who called you?
He dey innocent.
Who called you into this matter now?
I video everything, no. Now your daughter. I stand for say she no know say I stand for this.
Stop.
I won't.
Stop.
Don't you want to grab what you see?
No, stop.
The video. What did you do with the video?
Your daughter dey seduce am now.
Hey, that is a lie. God forbid.
It's a lie.
It's like you are tired of working here.
It's a lie. We are waiting with this. Not be your daughter dey on top am like that.
Ella, what is this one?
Nothing.
You want to tell me this is AI?
I think it's AI.
If I slap you, your head will roll off. Hey! And you have go. You go.
Thank
Come
you, sir.
on. Ella. Ah, my God. What have I done to deserve somebody like you as a daughter? What have I done?
Daddy, I'm sorry. It's just that he's so sexy.
Priest, how can I please beg you to forgive all that I have rained on you? Please, because we are not wizards now. We cannot see unless, thank God that our maid came up with a sort of proof. You understand? Please, how can I apologize to you for you to accept? Please, I'm very sorry. I'm very sorry. I'm sorry. You didn't deserve any of these things that I've said at all. Yes, we have seen you that you are a promising young man and you will go far in our church. You understand? But this little mix-up now was what almost made me to doubt your profile. Please.
You knew me so well.
Please.
I was trying to make you understand. You weren't even listening to me.
Please. If you do like this now, it's like you just don't want God to forgive me. I made a mistake, right? Based on what I saw when I arrived. But please, just forgive me and calm down. Forgive me and calm down, please. Forgive me and calm down. Please. I've taken back everything I said about you. I've taken everything back. Please.
It's fine. I leave judgment to God.
Please. Ella, you know, if this man says anything about you now, there is nobody that can cure you of it. Anything he says with his mouth now on you, nobody. I think you are tired of city life. Yes, we are tired of city life because I now notice that it's like you have learned some waywardness that I, your father, I wasn't aware of until now. So maybe you go back to the village. No what? No what? Look at what you have made me to do.
I'm sorry, I'll change.
You change. Go and change in the village.
Daddy, please. I don't want to go back to the village.
You don't want to go back? So you want to continue to be causing mayhem like this? You allow me to doubt somebody that I shouldn't have doubted in the first place.
I'm sorry.
Come on, apologize first. In the first place. Apologize! Apologize!
Father, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. It will never happen again. I promise.
Please, Father. Please.
May God have mercy on your soul. I'll see you in the church, sir.
Okay, my dear. Thank you very much. Oh my God.
Daddy, please, I don't want to go back to the village.
You know, this is how people invite curses on their heads. Like I said, if that man refuses to forgive you, you are gone. You are gone. You will just become an empty shell in life with wind blowing you left and right. You can never achieve anything. You've got to ask for forgiveness. Maybe you go into all this confession chamber and you go and confess and ask for real forgiveness from God Almighty. I think that is the only thing that can solve your problem. Because, like I said, we have rubbished a true man of God.
Thank you, sir.
Do you hear me?
Yes, sir.
So you go and confess. That is the only thing.
Okay. If I confess, can I still stay in town?
When you do that, I come back then, I will know what we are going to do. You understand?
Okay, Daddy.